Vlogmas day 2. Y'all, it is cold outside. Woo, it is cold. So my first priority today is getting, obviously, Vlogmas day 1 up and on time. So I'm gonna do that. I look horrible this morning. So I'm gonna make some coffee. That's what we're doing today. Vlogmas day 1 is up. Woo! Make sure to go watch it if you haven't. So basically, I want to flat iron my hair today. I haven't flat ironed it in probably 7-8ish months. I think I blew it out like a little bit in the middle of quarantine out of boredom. And for those who may not know, I did start a natural hair journey in May of 2018, and I have it documented. So if you want to go check out that whole playlist of where I started, because it's been a long journey. So anyway, I'm not gonna wash it and do all that till later, but I do want to get a good conditioning in. So I'm gonna make a little pre-poo. I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm pouring it in this cup because I don't want to take the oil that I used to cook into the bathroom, you know what I mean? With my olive oil in my cup. Hello, little. First, I'm gonna fill up my spray bottle with warm water. Sorry, I think that thumb down. It's tangly, it's dirty, but you know, we have a little bit of length, more length. So this is exciting to me. And yeah. Alright, so this is the section we're starting with over here. I'm going to first spritz it with warm water to open up the cuticle. Then I'm going to add some of this heavy conditioner from my deep conditioner from Pattern Beauty that I've talked about many times on my channel. And then on top, I'm going to seal it with some olive oil. And then I'm going to detangle it with this, and then super detangle it with this. His fortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Oh. Okay, so now that my hair is conditioned and detangled, I'm gonna put some oil on my scalp. It's the Herbal Hair Growth Oil by Curly Crown and Company. Shop Black owned businesses. I will link them down below. I really like this. It has essential oils, dried flowers, herbs, and it smells like really good. So it says massage into scalp and ends for your hair to add moisture and length retention. And that's something that I really wanted to like I lost my train of thought. Oh, yeah. That's something that I really wanted to like mention and emphasize, is that I mean, for the longest time, I felt like my hair just was not growing, but I didn't realize that it was growing, but it was just breaking off on the ends really bad. And I learned this after I actually colored my hair and noticed that all of the color, my roots were growing in and my new growth was growing in, but my hair was still remaining the same length, where ideally you would think it would just be getting longer. So I knew my hair was growing, which is a good thing, but I just need to work on retaining the ends. And since my hair is so like curly, do you see that? So curly and so tight. Ooh, my fro's coming in though. This is exciting. It's really important to make sure that my ends and, well, my hair, but especially my ends, are super moisturized. So that's something that I think that this company really focuses on. So I really recommend them. I've been using their growth oil for the past couple months, and I will see if it has been working later when I straighten my hair. But yeah, and I've also been working on my edges, as they have been falling out recently, probably due to stress. So yeah, this also helps with itchy scalp too, which I often get in the summer, as my scalp gets, in the winter when my scalp gets super dry. So yeah, I'm going to put this into like a bun and keep it pushing here. But I love how thick my hair is. It's so thick and pretty. Oh, we've come a long way, friend, haven't we? We have come a long way. Okay, good day. I just slicked my hair back into this bun with the conditioner and oil. And then I'm going to put this bandana on my head. Okay, so, looks so stupid. We are also, Kevin, welcome to Vlogmas.
Can I give me a full break?
Woo! Okay, so we're going to run some errands. I need to get eggs, as you guys saw yesterday.
You drop it.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to get eggs, and Kevin has to go to the bank. And I also want a star or an angel for the tree. You didn't know that part though. Okay, here we go. I was just talking about how I needed something to put this stuff in, because you always get more than you came for in Target. I found them. We're gonna get elves in the snowman. So it is a lot later. I just did a ton of work. And a big part of deep conditioning, especially for my hair type, is to use heat. So I'm going to spray a little bit more of some warm water on my hair, and then put a plastic cap on and sit under this for half an hour, just to really make sure the product penetrates into my strands, because we want all the moisture to shine. Okay, we're back. I literally just almost went flying backwards into the tub. But yes, so now I'm done deep conditioning. My hair is going to feel super duper moisturized. Let's pray. And now I'm going to shower. First, I'm going to shampoo with the Pattern Beauty clarifying shampoo, because you cannot have a lot of, ooh, I poked my eye. You cannot have a lot of product in your hair, sorry, contact solution, when you're trying to straighten it, because it's going to come out all greasy and stuff, and nobody has time for that. Then when I get out, I'm going to use my favorite conditioner, leave-in conditioner and all that jazz, which is the Main Choice soft as can be 3-in-1 Revitalize conditioner. Ooh, focus. There we go. Let's do it. Okay, y'all, so I just showered and I put my hair up in this turvy twist so that I could put on my clothes and not have water go everywhere. I have my clips. This is what I'm going to be using to blow dry. And then I'm going to be using the Turbo Pro Ceramic Technology 2000 blow dryer and this nozzle with that. And I'm going to do super small sections. And then so I'm going to put in the leave-in that I told you guys I'm going to put in. I'm going to use the Hot Commodity Heat Protectant from the Taraji P. Henson line because heat protectant. And then I'm going to do a dime size of the Silk Infusion serum from Chi. Okay, so I am halfway done with my hair blow drying process. Guys, my hair grew so much. Like, that is literally insane. Like, guys, come on. Look at this compared to this. Like, is this not amazing? I will be back when my hair's fully blow dried and I'm about to trim. Oh my god, that's literally scared the crap out of me. Alright y'all, so that is it for Vlogmas day 2. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really proud of my hair journey thus far. We have still a long way to go, but we're gonna keep pushing. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna eat those cinnamon rolls and then edit this Vlogmas. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.